Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to unmerge columns in Excel without losing data. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we can see here some columns are merged. Now we want to unmerge the column, select the column and go to the home menu. Select the merge and center drop down menu, choose unmerge cell option. Then we can see we unmerge the cell easily. Now I am select this unmerge cell and click the merge cell option and choose unmerge. Now we can see we unmerge multiple column in Excel easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.